So a little tutorial on how I styled her head wrap. It's a different style, a little bit cooler. Mine, is a simple little knot. So with hers, come a little closer. I took it on the front and then I braided it with her braid and did a simple knot at the end. So I'm going to redo it so you guys can see, but just want to show you how we did it. And here we go. So again, she had a braid in the back. I'm just gonna undo the braid. Alicia's been with me since my first tutorial. I'll post that another time. Okay. So I'm gonna be face around again in the front. So her hair's pulled back, so just take it. And again, I made hers a little bit smaller, all about the look you want. But I just fold it in half and right on top of her forehead. And then around the top of her ears. And around back. Here, turn back around. And then kind of how the base of all of them are, you just do a little twist tie. Pull that tight. So her braid that's already half braided, I just start adding the wrap through it. So you have your 3 pieces, standard braid, and you just start braiding. Oops. And then midway I'll switch off. So I'll take one wrap out and let the other one fall and switch it to a new piece. Yep. And keep going all the way through. Super cool. And then at the end, this looks like this. You just take a little around once and pull it through. My finger's stuck. Okay. And again, the end is how you want. So you can leave it knotted, or I had hers before pulled through and tucked in. But super cute. And that's that. Beautiful. Thank you guys. Stay around for our next one.
See ya.
Bye.